Srimati Techno,
conducting thinking every year, understanding a philosophical inquiry of what does happening mean. It is an exhibition cum seminar for interior design.
Industrial visit. Srimati always initiates industrial visit. The industrial visit is considered one of the most tactical methods of teaching. It provides students with an opportunity to learn practically through interaction, working methods and employment practices. It gives exposure from an academic point of view.
Srimati Techno offers placement assistance to its students for securing a great career start in their professional life. Srimati Techno Institute. The vision of the institute is to provide cutting-edge education that transforms the younger generation towards being socially responsible and mold them to acquire finest value systems in their professional and personal arena. Thank you.